I'm going to show you how to add students to your school's bank so that teachers can then create rosters out of all of the students you've already added. So to do this, when you log in as an admin for Classkick, you should see an admin dashboard on the side here. So click Manage Users. And from here, you should see all the students you already have, or you may not have any yet. You will want to check this drop-down menu here because if you are an admin on multiple schools, you'll want to make sure that you've clicked the right school or the school you're going to upload to first. I only have one, and so then you're going to click this green plus button in the corner to add students. So I'll say new students here. You can add students one by one, but if you're an admin, then that would probably take too long and you're wanting to upload lots of students at once. So you're going to import from CSV. You can download a sample CSV that will show you how to set up your CSVs. So these are my sample students. As you can see, I have first name, last name. For ID, I put some students with just a username and some students with their email addresses. Either one is acceptable here. And then for their password, you can set their password or you can make it something like test or 123 or something so that your students or your teachers can change it later. But you can go ahead and set their passwords as well. So I'm going to upload this CSV here. So as you can see here, 2 of my usernames were already taken. So that means these accounts already exist in our system. So you can reach out to support@classkick.com so that we can either delete these from our system so you can create new portfolio accounts, or we can get them added to your contract. You can click this button here to download a CSV of the students that couldn't be added. That way you will know and you can tell us, you can send it to us and let us know. So I'm just going to close those out and continue with the ones that did not have a duplicate. And there you go. So this is telling you these are the students you've created, and you'll want to save these as a CSV because the passwords will not be shown in Classkick after you close this window. So you'll want to save that so that you have a record yourself. So you'll save your CSV, and now those students are in your account. Now your teachers, when they go to create a roster, will be able to pull from that group of students. So if I click here, now I'm going to click a portfolio account. If I wanted to add Tyler, he was one of my students, or Lily was one of my students, or Kenneth, these were any of the ones that I added. I can actually select multiple of them, and now I can just simply add them to my roster, and that will work for any of the teachers that are in your school attached to your school's organization. If you run into any problems, please reach out to onboarding@classkick.com or support@classkick.com, and we will be able to help you out.